I'm entering into a building. I'm entering into a building. This looks like an upstairs building. Who owns this upstairs?
We stay there.
You stay in the upstairs.
As I said before, competition makes business very interesting. If you take out a competition from business, then you've succeeded in taking out the fun out of business. One of the first things you get to face when you want to start your business is the fact that there are about 1 million people already offering the service, already producing the product that you are also producing. And when you have a knowledge on how to deal with the competition, you find out that the fear of the rivals that are in the same area of business with you will just fizzle out. The 9th point you need to consider while dealing with the competition is that you have to go with the trend. You can't afford to do what is out of trend. Going with a trend involves getting what the market really needs. You can't afford to get something that the market doesn't need, a product or a service, and try to force it on a market that doesn't need such a product. Go with the trend if you must be ahead of the competition. The 10th point I would like us to consider while dealing with the competition is that you must be willing to do uncomfortable things. Business is not about comfort. Business is rather is all about discomfort. There are a lot of things that your rivals are not willing to do. The moment you get yourself to a place where you can do these things, you'll find yourself being ahead of the competition. The next point I also love you to consider is that you must make use of e-marketing and advertisement. Many people use a lot of outdated methods in advertisement. I still see people today putting posters on trees in the name of advertisement, and some of these things doesn't really work because nowadays nobody looks at trees no more. As people walk on the street, their eyes are on their smartphones. You have to find a way to make use of e-marketing to get your business across. Take your business and your idea to their very faces by making use of e-marketing and advertisement. The next point I want you to really consider is that you have to be aggressive when it comes to advertisement. You can't afford to give up on advertisement. I've seen a lot of companies who have lasted for a lot of years still doing aggressive advertisement. Yet you see some company that just started some few years ago, they're already tired of advertising. Be aggressive about advertisement. There's a principle in advertisement that you need to understand. The more people see a thing, the more they accept it. As the picture or the video, the clips of your company keeps flashing before their faces, in a short while you find out that first of all they resist a little, then later on they begin to accept the concept. Before you know it, they go to the market and the first thing they ask for is your product. You have to be very aggressive about marketing, aggressive about advertisement rather, and you have to make sure that the advertisement of your product is literally everywhere. When people go on Facebook, it pops up. Go on Google, it pops up. Go everywhere. It really literally pops up on every corner that people will go to. You have to be aggressive with advertisement if you must be ahead of the competition.